Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable widgets in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization, click Taskbar. Turn off widgets. Second method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows, click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer, click and expand Advanced. Open Taskbar DA, change value data to 0. Third method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expands Windows Components, click Widgets. Open Allow Widgets, change to Disabled, click Apply, click OK, close and exit Group Policy Editor, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.